We're doing it again. That's right. We are here to teach you how you are stupid. I'm here to teach you how you can make a delicious, lovely cake using the Chocolate Orange Terry's cookbook. Again, got that in the wrong order. So you can make delicious snacks for your Valentine's this year. However, this video is being uploaded after Valentine's Day, so you'll have to wait till next year to impress her. But like the video, and then it will be saved for you for next year. I bought this from The Works, if you're interested. They have it, very reasonable price, very nice. Also, they have a billion other books that you'll probably want to read. And the one I want to make is this, the Scrumptious Millionaires Shortbread. It's very weird reading it on the camera because it is mirrored. And it should end up looking like that. Look at that. That is, ooh, that's, that would impress any girl. Best way to a girl's heart is through food. So, we've got all the ingredients. And of course, the star of the show, Terry's Chocolate Orange. This video is not sponsored by Terry's Chocolate Orange as much as I would love it to be. I just love the chocolate. I've never been sponsored by any of the videos I've done. Granted, they don't get many views, so... Alright, so the first problem I ran into, it says use a square cake tin. I don't have a square one, I've got this small rectangular one. Lightly butter, so first step, use the butter. This, look at that, that has been attacked and demolished by a knife. Why can't people lightly scoop it out with your knife instead of jabbing it in like you're a serial killer? Always make sure to wash your hands before doing any of this. There we go, that's flour. So flour, rice flour, and sugar. So I need 100 of rice flour and 100 of caster sugar. So I've mixed together 3 white powders into a bowl. Can you tell the difference? And it says add 200 grams of butter diced plus extra for grease. More butter. I was like, no, I don't need to buy butter. We got butter at home. Yeah, at this rate, we're not gonna have any butter at home. Rub together. Right, considering I'm gonna need to use my hands in the later stage, I'm assuming I'm gonna have to do it now. My hands have been washed. Okay, so it's gonna be fun. Whee! It is turning crummy. Oh no. Ooh. Washing my hands again. Right, here's my dilemma. It says chopped chocolate orange. How finely am I chopping this chocolate orange? Am I like doing like, because look, like, that's chopped. But am I doing it like really? I think, I don't know, like a slice and dice. And then, like, do I chop these in half? Maybe? Fine dining or chocolate restaurant? What am I doing now? Look, I can just... And then all the little, like, breadcrumbs of chocolate also go into the mixture. Should be nice. Mix it up. Now, what are we doing? Tip it onto a lightly floured workshop and roll it into a ball with your hands. Gotta keep it moving. Ball. Ta-da! Now, I need a light. I need to press this down, and I need it to be flat and I need it to be level. It also says jab in it. That is what we're gonna do. A few more random ones here and there. There we go. Ta-da! Now pop it in the oven, 25 minutes. I'm gonna have to set a timer. So my brothers decided to have potatoes for lunch. Anyway, we're gonna see what our thing looks like. Ooh, it's looking pretty cool. Maybe I'm gonna put it in for another 5 minutes just because I know that it's draining some of the power from the oven because it's a gas oven, so you know the gas is distributed evenly. It robs from the oven, so I'm gonna put it in for another 5 minutes and then we'll leave it to cool, and then when my brothers decided to go away and finish whatever, we'll actually start making the caramel sauce. Wow! Now that's cooking in the oven, we need to make the caramel sauce, as they say in the Americas. It's pronounced caram, okay? Anyway, shortbread is done. On the shortbread side of it, crummy base. Just putting it there. The pan is hot, so I don't really want to touch it more than I just did. Liters of condensed milk now. I didn't get condensed milk. I got evaporated milk here. Now, the only difference between evaporated milk and condensed milk is condensed milk has more sugar. So basically, it's like using diet instead of regular. So I'm sure it won't do too much of a difference, but we'll find out. So all the ingredients. So we're gonna start with the condensed milk because that's the one I got out first. So I wish I recorded the struggle of me trying to open the can and figure out how a can opener works. That was fun. So, oops, still got my own. Oh well. Bloop. Sugar. Oop. I've squeezed in extra because some of it's gonna, stick to the spoon. I'm just squeezing a little bit extra. 4 tablespoons doesn't seem like a lot. Give me a moment. Now I don't know about you, but this looks rather good. It's very watery though. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be that watery. Okay, like that. Ooh, just go around and let's not pour that onto the sink. Okay, what do? Increase the heat so it's medium and cook for 10 minutes. Medium's about that. Oh, it is really bubbling. I'm not sure if I got it too high. I'll turn it down just a notch. I don't want to ruin my caramel. Yeah, it says so increase to medium heat so it starts to simmer. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally to stop it from sticking and catching so it turns golden and thickens to a whoa, okay. Glad that was on camera. So my caramel sauce is way too runny. Look at that, it's way too watery. And every time I try to boil it, it just bubbles and explodes like you saw earlier. So I did some Googling of how to fix a runny caramel sauce. It says let it cool, wait for it to cool, and then try reheating it. So I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna let it cool, let it gently go down. Hopefully I haven't like burned it, because apparently you can burn your sugar. I don't know. I can't afford to redo it. I can't afford to do it from scratch again, so yeah, just gonna have to let it cool and then reheat. So
6.5 hours later.
trying this again. Let's try something new. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, very fun.
A few moments later.
There we go.
3 hours later.
It's so long later that in fact I have actually changed clothes and had a shower. So, I put the other recipe in the freezer so that it can freeze, so then we can add the chocolate layer on top. So, this is it. Ooh. It's still sticky. What I'm going to do is I'll make the chocolate sauce now. Pour it onto here now that there's this caramel, which is kind of frozen. And then I will put it in the freezer overnight. And we'll see how it looks the next day. Well, the next day, because I'm going to Cardiff, so I won't be able to see what it looks like until I get back. Until it's frozen. Does that make sense? Good. Thank you. Maybe that's tomorrow. Maybe I have to do it at 3 o'clock in the morning. Who cares? I'm getting it done today.
3:28 a.m.
I am cheating a bit. This water is kind of already boiled. But it just means it will speed up the process. At least that's what I'm hoping. I'm not sure how much boiling water I'm supposed to put in there, but I just let water's boiled. Chocolate is being suspended. I'm now starting to have doubts about this bowl. I really don't want this to melt. Though it is just steaming. I'll put this bowl in the microwave, I'm sure of that. Unless it's not. I really can't make up my mind about this. You know what? We're gonna risk it. We're gonna do it. That is almost an entire Carrie's chocolate orange there. Yes. Turning to goop. What how they make the Terry's chocolate orange? No, it says slowly pour it in, so I'm gonna like pour it in segments, I believe, is what it's telling me. Ooh, don't touch the thing, it is hot. I thought I turned it off, but it's not. We get this, that's just come out the freezer. This sounds like a very terrible idea, pouring boiling hot chocolate onto something that's just been hot freezer. And you're right. Looks like it is a terrible idea. but it's the best plan we've got. Here we go. Just smoothing it out to cover the entirety of the surface. And I pop that back in the fridge, freezer even, and see what it looks like when I get back in Cardiff. Don't act like you don't do this. It's the best part of cooking.
3 days later.
Right, so I made this on Thursday, and it's now Sunday, so I have to see what it actually looks like.
What's that? That was big.
Yes, it is. Ooh. I think maybe I might use a knife.
What was it?
Shortbread.
Oh, shortbread.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like, well, I guess it does look like bread. It's got bread in there.
I don't think the caramel is actually frozen, which is what I wanted.
Oh, it's caramel bread.
It's dough and... Why are you being stupid? You're just stupid on camera, I hope you know that.
Oh! Everyone knows my dumbness.
Everyone knows you're stupid. This whole thing is just ruined. Okay, look. So this is the end result. You got the chocolate there, which is now chocolate topping, that is now just stuck to this. That peeled off. The caramel, that didn't actually turn into caramel. Still tastes like caramel. Just didn't turn into it, apparently. And the dough that is frozen to the pan. So, in hindsight, I should have just not made the caramel sauce and just put chocolate, because frankly I don't even like caramel. I was just following the recipe because I wanted to follow the recipe, and I just wasted 2 whole chocolate oranges trying to make this video, and a whole lot more. Well, after putting all that effort in, I thought I might as well. You know, I might as well eat it. So here we go. I did manage to finally get it out of the pan, and what we did instead is the chocolate, I just literally poured off all the caramel, took the chocolate layer off, splattered it on, and this is a slice of my mess, and we're gonna actually try it. So, because you know I put all sweat, blood, and tears into this, might as well try it. It tastes really good. Oh, it tastes so good. That chocolate sauce really made up for all the pain. That is good. I don't know what else to say.